Are you looking to master AWS and take your cloud computing skills to the next level? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to become an AWS expert. From understanding the basics of AWS services to mastering advanced concepts, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cloud professional, this guide is designed to help you succeed in your AWS journey. Learn how to set up your AWS account, navigate the AWS Management Console, and deploy your first virtual server. Dive into essential services like EC2, S3, and RDS, and discover how to optimize your resources for cost efficiency and performance. Explore advanced topics such as security best practices, scalability, and automation with AWS CloudFormation and Lambda functions. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and skills to tackle any AWS project with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering AWS today and unlock endless possibilities in the world of cloud computing. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AWS tips and tutorials.